kids! Today we're going to draw a beautiful cottage with a big tree, step by step. So grab your pencil and paper and let's get started. Step 1. First, draw a big rectangle right in the middle of your paper. This is the main part of the cottage. Step 2. Now, on top of the rectangle, draw a triangle. This is the roof of the cottage. Great job! Step 3. Let's draw a door right in the center of the cottage. Now, draw a cute little window beside the door. A small square with a cross to show the window panes. Step 4. On top of the roof, draw a chimney. Now, let's make the walls look real by adding some bricks. Draw small rectangles to make a brick pattern. Step 5. Now on the right side of the cottage, draw a big tree. Make a thick trunk and big round leaves like a fluffy cloud. Wow! Doesn't it look like a peaceful place? Now it's time to color. Use brown for the bricks, blue, yellow, brown, and green. Great job, artists! You just made a cozy little cottage with a big tree. Don't forget to like, subscribe,